So now board exams are finally over and almost 30 days are left for BITSAT. It is very important that you utilize this time to its fullest each and every day and give your 100%. If you do the same mistakes again and again that you have done in JEE, the result is going to be the same in BITSAT. A lot of you are very confused. Bhaiya, from where should I cover my syllabus? From where should I solve my questions? What timetable should I follow, bhaiya? What priority list of chapters should I follow? I am very confused. So in today's video, we are going to talk exactly about that. I'm going to tell you each and every important point about BITSAT, and at the end of this video, I'm going to give you that perfect timetable which you can follow in the priority order and nail BITSAT. एक चीज मुझे पता है, your JEE dream is shattered. Your dream of studying in a top IIT is gone. But अगर तुम वो same facilities चाहते हो, same placements चाहते हो, वो same life चाहते हो, that you are only going to get in BITS Pilani, and BITS Pilani is your last chance to get into a tier 1 college. You cannot literally treat it as a backup. You'll have to get serious from today and give your best. So let's talk about the very first point and the most important one, and that is mindset. You'll have to build a warrior mindset so that you can give your best every single day. You cannot just keep crying about your past and your JEE performance and expect that you'll do very well in BITSAT. You'll have to lock in, you'll have to focus properly and build a strong mindset to achieve your goals every single day, to work hard for 10 to 12 hours every single day, then only you are going to get the result that you want. अगर एक strong mindset build नहीं करोगे ना, तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लो, कोई सा भी क्रैश कोर्स ज्वाइन कर लो, कोई सी भी टेस्ट सीरीज दे दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. अल्टीमेटली ऑन द एग्जाम डे you'll panic and एग्जाम पूरी तरीके से बिगड़ जाएगा. So that is why building a strong mindset in this next 30 days is super important. So before we jump on to the timetable, it is very important that we first talk about the things that are required for you to follow this timetable properly. Otherwise, the timetable is going to be useless. So the number one thing that comes is the theory coverage. Now see, there is not a lot of time left. So अगर तुम अभी भी वो same mistake करते हो that you sit on YouTube and watch those long 5 to 6 hours of lectures and think that I'll be able to score good marks in BITSAT, that is definitely not going to happen, my friend. Now it is important that you understand the concepts properly, you learn to solve the questions in a very fast way, and ultimately sit down with a pen and paper and solve the questions by yourself and develop that speed and accuracy. Then only you'll be able to ace BITSAT. Otherwise, if you just sit down and blindly follow the lectures on YouTube, nothing is going to happen. Bhaiya, but it is still important to cover the theory, right? And to do some amount of revision. Yes, so I'm sure you must have your favorites till now in the JEE space, so you can just follow those lectures. अब वो JEE specific lectures है, but still अगर free में ही तुम follow करना चाहते हो, you can follow the channels like E-Saral playlist, Physics Galaxy playlist, JEE Nexus playlist, and Pankaj Sir playlist. All these playlists are gold mine. You can pick any one of them and follow them to cover your syllabus and concepts. Once that's done, the next and the most important thing is to pick up NCERT for the theoretical parts of physics as well as chemistry. There are a lot of questions that are directly picked up from NCERT, from nook and corner of NCERT, which students don't even read about. So it's important that you read those points, and whenever you come across something new, something unique, add them to your short notes and keep revising them so that you do not miss out on any single point that is mentioned in NCERT. So the combination of short, crisp lectures which has good amount of theory as well as problem solving plus reading the NCERT, your theory will be done. एक अच्छा डॉक्टर वो होता है ना जो बहुत ज़्यादा दवाइयाँ नहीं देता है, बहुत कम दवाइयाँ देता है. Similarly, now the time is less. It is very important that you follow and watch crisp lectures and do not waste your time on lengthy JEE lectures. Most of the students who are preparing for BITSAT are already enrolled in the phodu club crash course and they are watching the crash course lectures. So if you're someone who is looking for structured lectures, you can definitely check that out. The next step that comes after covering the theory is question solving. Now before we talk about from where you can solve the questions, let's first talk about the level of BITSAT. And here's where a lot of people have misconceptions about. A lot of people think that BITSAT just has easy level questions of JEE mains. They are just a little bit above board exams. But let me tell you, it is not true. BITSAT is a very different exam. The kind of questions that are asked in BITSAT is very different. Different ranges of questions are asked in BITSAT. Plus the questions are very conceptual, lengthy, tricky, as well as asked from such parts of the chapters which you don't even care about. So it's important to solve such questions which are theory heavy, which are conceptual heavy, and which actually test your concepts properly. and not just solve JEE main PYQs. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that JEE main PYQs are useless, but the problem with JEE PYQs are there are so many questions. कितने questions filter करोगे, कितने easy medium questions filter करके solve करोगे. If you have those segregated already, no problem, you can use them to build your concept, and after that solve BITSAT relevant problems to ultimately strengthen everything. If not JEE main PYQs, you can also solve the level 1 questions of your coaching modules if you go to any particular coachings, or if you have any particular standard book like that of Narendra Awasthi or like that of DC Pandey, you can solve questions from those as well. But see, the time is very less. You need handpick good amount of questions. So if you have this book already, that is phodu BITSAT question bank. It is made by Bitsians themselves and it has most relevant questions for BITSAT. After covering your theory, just solve the handpicked questions given in this particular book and you will be sorted for BITSAT. You don't have to go here and there searching for questions. Just solve the questions that are there in this book and you'll be sorted. But if not, I've already mentioned the resources. You can still follow them and make your concept strong. Now after this, the most important step comes. That is to make your short notes. I'm sure a lot of you must know about the importance of short notes, but majority of you ignored that in your JEE, and that is why you did not perform very well in your final JEE paper. So it's important to use short notes regularly and revise your concepts in a regular interval so that you do not forget anything. I'm giving you this timetable, but from day 1 to day 30, it's important that when you reach till day 30, you remember every single thing you have studied on day 1. Otherwise, it's just useless and again, you won't perform well in the final exam. Now, when I say short notes, there are two types of short notes. The number one thing is the theory ke short notes. And the second, which most of the people don't even know about, is questions ke short notes. Yes, whenever you'll solve any material, be it phodu club book, be it JEE main PYQs, you'll encounter a lot of questions which you are not able to solve. तुम जो गलत कर दे रहे हो, mock test solve करते वक्त काफी सारे questions you'll make wrong. So it's important that you make a log of all those questions. Write down in very short. Let's say कोई moment of inertia का question है, एक ring के about axis है, बस उतना सा बना लो अपने short notes में, एक short way में लिख लो कि गलती कहाँ हो गई. So whenever you'll come back and see that particular thing, it will recall in your head, okay, I made this mistake, I'll not do it again in the final paper. So along with the theory short notes, it's important that you also have questions ke short notes. Now, I know since only 30 days are left, it's very difficult for you to make your short note and it will waste a lot of your time. That is why we at Phodu Club have made the best colorful aesthetic revision notes for you for absolutely free of cost, which you can get on our website. I'll give the link to that in the description as well. So you can just search it up on Google or click the link in the description and download those beautiful notes, take a printout of them and use them for your revision. Another type of important notes which changed the game for me, especially the parts where I struggled to remember stuff like that of inorganic and organic chemistry. So the thing that helped me a lot are the audio notes. I used to make 5 minutes के audio notes of S block, P block, metallurgy, जो भी चीज़ें reactions हो गई, and I used to listen them in my free time. And my subconscious mind used to get trained and remembering stuff became a lot easier for me. So you can follow this technique. It's a very unique and game changer technique, making audio notes and listening them regularly. Now bhaiya ye sab to theek hai, where is the timetable? So now let's quickly talk about the timetable that you need to follow for the next 30 days. You can get this timetable in the description as well. So using this timetable, you can complete your syllabus in the next 30 days. Even if you're targeting the second attempt, you can customize this timetable and use it accordingly. But this is the most optimal timetable you can get. As you can see, on a daily basis, you will be covering 2 subjects a day and there will be a buffer of a single subject. अब उस buffer का मतलब क्या है कि भैया उसमें पढ़ना नहीं है क्या? No, that buffer is given because in that time you will do the revision of that particular subject so that again you do not forget anything. इसमें सारे के सारे chapters properly mentioned है, including that of English and logical reasoning. So follow it dedicatedly and I guarantee you it will change your life. Now one more place where students face difficulty is tracking their progress properly कि भैया कौन से lectures देख लिए, कौन सी DPP solve कर ली, कितना revision हो गया, and especially keeping a track of those deleted chapters which are not there in JEE but are there in BITSAT. So you can use the phodu BITSAT tracker for absolutely free of cost. You just have to go and log in the Phodu Club website and you can access this BITSAT tracker for absolutely free of cost in the dashboard. Just go write down your daily goals, achieve them on a daily basis. Use the tracker where all the chapters are written in a priority order and complete your syllabus. Now, after doing all this, the last and the most important step comes in, that is giving mock tests from a very, very relevant source. Again, you can pick up the phodu club mock test and start giving them regularly. Do not worry कि तुम्हारा कितना syllabus हो गया नहीं हुआ है. It's important that you sit over there and give the mock tests. The analysis that you get in the phodu club mock tests are the most detailed analysis that you can ever find. You get AI personalized suggestions based on whatever you have done in your overall paper. You get question traps as well, so you can keep a track of questions जहाँ पर तुम फंस रहे हो, जहाँ पर तुम अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो. इसके अलावा to improve your speed in crash course, top teachers are regularly taking live problem solving lectures to improve your speed and accuracy and to teach you different tricks to solve the questions in a very fast manner. Baki, again, for further practice, there are DPPs, chapter-wise tests, English LR course, every single thing is covered. So if you join the crash course and follow it for the next 30 days, you don't have to worry and go here and there. Just follow it properly and you will be done for your BITSAT. Phodu Club is the one-stop solution. It is a platform that is made by BITSians. मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा कि ये platform हमने बनाया तुम्हारे लिए, so that you use it properly, so that you become the next future BITSian. Come in the campus, meet with all your Phodu Club and have a wonderful community in your college life as well as after you graduate. I trust you. You can do it. Follow every single thing that I have told in this video and no one can stop you from becoming the next BITSian and change your life completely. So जाओ यार, अब पढ़ाई करो. All the very best.